GMCR, Green Mountain Coffee, right elbow gap. Once again, we talked about in pre-market from that right elbow gap. And we have that recorded on the pre-market before the stock market opens of how to sell short these names. You can see right here clearly how Green Mountain Coffee made that peak and then slid that bid all the way down and went right back up and made another higher high. And that's exactly what we said that we would be looking for in the leaderships when they got the pullback within the last dog days of August, this being day one time, 7:51 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, that is, 8/22 2011. What a great day. Now, the VIX and the fear indicators and everything that we've talked about are contracting in value, and we're breaking higher on equities. Green Mountain Coffee. Here we are right now. We've got Tom short, and we're breaking down over here on the index. This is called the NASDAQ 3-minute chart. And if you take a look at it, yes, that's okay. But that's why you're struggling here at resistance. Because of this. Yes, Google is very strong, but remember you want to keep an eye on how weak the broader NASDAQ is. You want to see if this Google can outperform it or not. So this teeny line here will have to hold on the NASDAQ comp. If we go back up toward it, then Google will break higher here. You can see how weak the intraday ranges are on the NASDAQ comp. Timestamp. We are 1 hour and 30 pennies into the tape in 1 minute at 7:59 a.m. So we're going to be looking at 60, so 60-minute price action and a 60-minute price action in the overall equities. But see, when the NASDAQ gets weak, Google can't get above that teeny line, and it falls weak as this falls weak. Dow Jones, 1 hour and a half. Look at that breakout on the Dow to that top over here on the Dow intraday top. You can see that first reversal. You can see that the teeny reversal structure in the Dow coming all the way back down. This was that pre-market futures that we did before the opening bell, and you can see the teeny breakout. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 teenies right up there to the teeny line. And how much is a teeny on this thing? 17.81. The low was 10.820.37. It opened at 10.820. It makes a high of 11.020.55. If everything is calculating correctly here, because the Dow is plus what? 86 or so. Now it's 81. There was a print, so we're ticking right where we should be as far as the data goes on the Dow. And the Dow has had a reversal. And we're finding that teeny support on the Dow at 1 hour and 31 minutes to the opening bell. 11:01 Eastern Standard Time, or Eastern Time, 8:01 Pacific Standard Time, 8/22 2011. Dow Jones and indexes finding their support level. Half of this bar is 10,908, by the way. Okay, and the print that we're seeing is 90.51, and we're leveraging up here. So we know that that data there matches this data down here. They change very quickly together. That's how. So we know that this is where we got that support level. And the last print on the Dow is 10,910.93 ratio, hour and 32 minute tape price action. Runaway 17.81. I just showed you how many handles we went up to 11.020, and look at the current print on the S&P right here is 10,914, and half of this bar right here is 10,908 MMT. It's in the video right here, down here. So let's make sure that you see that. Dow Jones and other key indexes are hitting support levels.